I don't know how to handle that kind of stuff. So at that point, I contacted Daryl. I was in constant communication with Daryl and his staff. Daryl really gives you all the options that you have on the table, always keeps you up to date with everything. His staff is the same way. They really push to get you the best possible settlement they can. But I was in good hands with Daryl Cook, and I always knew that he had my best interests at heart.
If you've been injured, call Kogan and DeSalvo now. The call is free.
Finally this hour, get ready to see a lot more jet skis than usual on Clearwater Beach this weekend. But this group, they aren't just riding around for fun. This is the fourth round of the P1 Aqua X National Championship. They're racing, and you can watch the races for free tomorrow and Sunday. They take off between 10 a.m. and 4 p.m. both days. And if you missed that one on Clearwater Beach, the tournament moves to St. Pete early next month. All right, stay right there. The Fox 13 6 o'clock news starts now.
There are many legal violations associated with this facility.
This is not going to deter us. We're going to continue working on the deportations.
Yeah, that is right now at 6, cracking down on alligator Alcatraz, but the latest move by a federal judge isn't shaking Governor Ron DeSantis.
Plus, a drug-busted Polk County lands 32 people behind bars, and an interesting press conference by Sheriff Grady Judd.
Your constituents are crying out for relief from skyrocketing utility bills.
And rising electric bills in St. Pete has city officials weighing their options to potentially drop Duke Energy.
From Tampa Bay's #1 news station, this is the Fox 13 6 o'clock news.
Good evening and welcome here on this Friday. I'm Mark Wilson.
And I'm Haley Hines. Allie has the night off. First here at 6, a federal judge has clamped down on alligator Alcatraz.
Yeah, a ruling has come down that says environmental law has been violated by the detainee center that's in a series of tents and an airstrip in the middle of the Everglades, of course. Let's bring in Fox 13's Evan Axelme, who's in our newsroom now with the responses from environmentalists and then also from the governor. What does he think?
Well, the governor is saying that this is just a blip and has already appealed this decision, but those who filed the lawsuit call this a satisfying but temporary victory. The judge says that the state must stop bringing detainees there and wind down operations within 60 days.
The same